Hello everyone. So our yearly scholarship test is here, and if you are an aspirant preparing for GATE 2022, this is a golden opportunity for all of you. And with the help of this scholarship test, you can get up to 100% discount on our premium courses. So there are few more instructions that I would like to tell you here about the test. So first of all, the test is on 4th July at 6 p.m. and this test is free of cost. So you all can register freely for this test, and the timing, it is on 4th July at 6 p.m. There won't be any other time for the test. It is a 30-minute test. So if you want to appear for this test, you will have to appear at 6 p.m. on 4th July. And for accessing this test, you can use our website or app, and all the links will be given in the description here. So yeah, as it says that the test starts at 6 p.m. and you have to complete it within the time, and fake attempts or cheating, these things will be monitored, and the final result will be coming on 5th July at 6 p.m. Now other than that, the syllabus, as I told you that we have two tests depending upon if you are appearing in GATE Civil Engineering or GATE Environmental Science. So for Civil Engineering, it has Maths, Aptitude, SOM, Structures, Geotech and Environment. For Environmental Science, it has Maths, Aptitude, Water and Wastewater Treatment, Environmental Microbiology and Global and Regional Environmental Issues. So you can keep this syllabus in mind and you can go through these topics if you are appearing in this test. So these are the rewards. Top 2 will get 100% scholarship. Whoever is coming in top 2, they will be getting our courses for 100% scholarship. That is, they won't have to pay any money to get access to our courses. Then top 5, they are getting 80% and top 15 are getting 60% scholarship. So you can go through this whole document, and if you have any doubt, you can contact us. And there are some terms and conditions also. Go through these things. There are FAQs, and yeah, at the end, if you have any doubt, you can contact us also. So do appear in this test. It is very useful for you. You can get access to our premium courses if you come in top in these tests, and that would be really helpful if you are willing to prepare for GATE 2022. This test will be, the access that you will get to our courses, and you will get guidance from us also. All of your doubt supports and all the problems will be solved by us directly, and it will be very useful in your preparation. So I wish you all the best to all of you who are appearing in this test, and I hope you come out with flying colors.